Today I'll show you my recipe of Quiche Lorraine. In this recipe for the tart, you will need 250 grams flour, small amount of baking powder, 1 egg, a little amount of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 125 grams unsalted butter. We mix the tart ingredients with a hand mixer, like so. Then we will put it in a tart mold like so. It is now ready to bake our tart in a preheated 200-degree oven for 15 minutes. For the filling, you will need 120 grams cooked bacon slice, 100 grams Gouda cheese or any cheese you are craving for. It could be Emmentaler, 4 eggs, and 200 grams whipping cream. Mix it all together with salt and pepper and a few drops of nutmeg. Notice that I put some pinch on the base. It is important before baking, so you will see a tiny holes there. Then put our filling, pour it on our base. Now this is ready to be baked for another 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, this is our Quiche Lorraine, a very hot one. You can serve it with a little bit of parsley on the top. So yeah, I hope you enjoy my video and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.